Thank you.
All right, let's start. So नमस्ते संग्राम जी, आपका बेहद दिल से स्वागत है हमारे इस पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड में, जिस पे हम चर्चा करते हैं सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी पे। तो बेहद दिल से स्वागत आपका।
Many thanks, Diksha. I am also honored to be here. All my pleasure. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर। ऑल राइट संग्राम जी, हमें थोड़ा बताइए अभी की हालात कैसे चल रहे हैं। वी टॉक अबाउट हॉस्पिटैलिटी सेक्टर, वी टॉक अबाउट फैसिलिटी मैनेजमेंट सेक्टर, तो उसमें अभी क्या स्थिति है व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट सेकेंड वेव के बाद का जो स्थिति। ओवर टू यू सर।
In our sector, if you, I don't have the exact number, but I think 5 crore is the total number of employees who are working for us. If I can say only facilities management and hospitality sector, I am not going into the construction sector and all other sectors. So the question is about 5 crore people's life, 5 crores people's daily earnings, their family life, their social life, all these kind of things. So what's going on in this market is, be come what may be, government has got many plans, many initiatives they have taken, but by the time it is reaching to the last mile, it's having some of the problem, though many of the people have got benefited out of it. So mainly some corporates like us, where I am working, this APS group, we are trying to ensure each and every of our employee at the last mile is healthy, safe and secure from social, from financial perspective. Now, after this second wave, everything was closed. This was a very deadly wave, and people were inside the home. We tried to manage many things with the help of these guys only. So even if many of our clients have requested us to transport the IT equipment from their office to their home, we were taking care of ourselves, we were taking care of our employees, we are also being asked this kind of support as a service provider. We also do that. So all these kind of things was being done with the help of this fraternity, which is comprising of this 5 crore of number, approximately number. So now after this second wave, the scenario is like this: how can they be feeling more safe and secure? So the scenario is vaccination is one of the important program which is going on. We as a corporate are trying to ensure all of our employees are getting vaccinated, be at our corporate office level or be at our site level, on penetrated across 30,000 locations in this country. We are ensuring our guys at Assam and Northeast are getting vaccinated, at Wapi in Gujarat, or be at Kerala. So all these locations, all of the employees should get vaccinated. We are ensuring, irrespective of they work in office, they work at site or not, they should get something out of their salaries or some kind of dry rations to ensure their livelihoods are being maintained. So we are taking all kind of precautions. We are ensuring they should feel safe, so that whenever something come up, like the things are getting developed a little bit, and people have started getting feel safe and comfortable, the country is getting vaccinated as a whole. So the scenario is much better compared to few months back. But the apprehension of third wave, which is also very vivid, very clear, and each and every government officials related to this are keep cautioning us about all these things. So that apprehension is also there. So it's a mixed kind of scenario as on date in this country.
Absolutely संग्राम जी, yes, thank you. Absolutely संग्राम जी, बहुत अच्छे उम्दा तरीके से आपने हमें बताया कि क्या चैलेंजेस हैं। वैक्सीनेटेड हो गया है, फिर भी हम लोग में मन में थोड़ा संशय है कि थर्ड वेव में क्या होगा। सो वी आर एक्चुअली वेटिंग फॉर द थर्ड वेव एंड थिंग्स गोना हैपन एंड देन प्रॉब्ली वी कैन थिंक अबाउट मोर पॉलिसीज। ऑसम संग्राम जी, अब ये बताइए सर कि अभी के स्थिति को देखते हुए और संतुलन बनाए रखे हम सोसाइटी में, तो उस प्रकरण में आप किस प्रकार की पॉलिसी या प्रोसीजर्स को निर्धारित करेंगे फॉर एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ताकि हमारे जो एम्प्लॉइज हैं वो अपने वर्क प्लेस को सुरक्षित महसूस करें। ओवर टू यू सर।
See, we as a service provider and our motto is to make this country safe and secure. It was our motto some years back. Now, what we are also started doing is safe and secure and healthy at your workplace or wherever we work. So we are ensuring all our clients, be it B2B or B2C, should have this kind of tagline from us. So first of all, now in the first wave, we all know there was a transmission from surface to human. So, touch kind of theories were very evident. Now in the second wave, the theory is now the droplets are in the air, in the atmosphere, everywhere. So you have to get rid of that. So COVID protocol is a must. So as far as procedure is concerned, we are ensuring with our client's place, with our own workplace, with our own employees. So social distancing, masking, and sanitization. So that's one part of the story which everybody knows. But what we do as a corporate is we are providing masks and hand sanitizer free of cost to all across our employee base, and we are making the mask as a part of the uniform, because our housekeeper, our security guard, or our maintenance staff, they all come in uniforms. So we are giving them the face mask and ensuring them implementing them as a part of the uniform. So that's the kind of thing we are doing for right now. Now the technology has advanced to the extent there is a technology where it can ensure for till 90 days there is no transmission from surface to human. So we have already done that in our own office. We have already proposed this solution to all our clients, and in the market also. It's now in very much high in demand. That also we are doing. So these are the two simple basic process where we are implementing to get rid of this COVID thing. Apart from all other things which IT, ITS, and all other digital. So those things I am not discussing right now. I can also discuss on those prospects.
Awesome, Sangramji. Perfect. You said very well with respect to the procedures that we have to ensure for safety of our workforce at the workplace. I love the point जो आपने संग्राम जी बताया कि हम यूनिफॉर्म के साथ मास्क भी as a यूनिफॉर्म का पार्ट रखें. That is fantabulous, sir. Okay, awesome. Going forward to the next perspective from your side, what you think is the future of work? मतलब हम लोग ऑब्वियसली हर पूरा अगर सब लोग को 100% वैक्सीनेटेड भी हो गया है, चाहे वो 1 डोज हो, फर्स्ट डोज हो, स्टिल वी कैन नॉट आस्क एवरीबॉडी टू कम बैक. लाइक 100% तो हम नहीं सोच नहीं सकते अभी. तो सर, एज बीइंग अ लीडर, आपकी क्या राय होगी फ्यूचर ऑफ वर्क पे, वेदर इट इज हाइब्रिड और वेदर इट इज कंप्लीटली बैक टू ऑफिस? ओवर टू यू सर.
See, now hybrid is the popular word. Everybody using hybrid. So, I also don't want to wash my hands. So we also believe in hybrid. But, right now this scenario is, it's a different. So let's see the case of our Honorable Railway and IT Minister, who was just instructed the ministry staff to come in 2 shifts from 7 in the morning till 12 in the night. So imagine, at railway ministry, he's asking his staff to come in 2 shifts. So just to ensure the social distancing is there, just to ensure the people who are 24/7 managing the entire railway line across this country, they should also feel, yes, we are at a safe hand. The people at back end at the ministry, they are also working for 2 shifts to get rid of this, COVID, and to ensure the service to nation is there. So that is one part. We are also staggering our people to come to office, and all, of course, in our client's place also, we are encouraging apart from vaccination. So how can we ensure the people come in different shifts, and whoever are essential to come in whichever days. So in our corporate office, like during the first week of the month, we ensure the payroll and the finance people come in in numbers, because the wages and everything need to be dispersed to 30,000 plus workforce in this entire country. So in the second week of this office, we want the operation guys to come. So we have also maintained the rosters like this so that it is uniformly distributed. Whoever needs to come in whichever way should come. And now hot desking was a earlier concept. Now it is desking from anywhere at any point in time is the concept. So be it from his home. Right now, I'll tell you an interesting concept. WFH, work from home, in northern part of this country is known as work from Himachal. So you must be seeing now the news, people have thrown to Manali and all these places. They have started putting penalties on people who are coming like this. So we are telling everybody in our circle, guys, work from home means sit inside your home, work from home, not work from Himachal. So these are the things which we are doing to ensure the staggering is there, the hybrid is there, but the entire intent is how can everybody come to office with a safe, healthy, and easy mindset so that they can work efficiently.
सुपर संग्राम जी, आपने हंसने का कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ा. मुझे तो मेरी टीम काफी उम्दा, they were like loving this fact कि work from home करना है, work from हिमाचल नहीं करना है, don't go to Manali, don't go anywhere. And if you really want to travel, if you took leave from the company, अगर आप travel कर रहे हैं तो please भीड़ में न जाएं. कृपया सुने हमारी बात, भीड़ में बिल्कुल ना जाएं, क्योंकि आप अपनी जिंदगी जोखिम में डाल रहे हैं, प्लस दूसरों की भी जिंदगी जोखिम में डाल. बहुत उम्दा संग्राम जी, आपने हंसते हंसते हमें काफी लाइफ लेसन दे दिया. थैंक यू सो मच सर. ऑसम. संग्राम जी आगे बढ़ते हैं. सर, आपने टूल्स टेक्निक्स की भी बात कर ली है तो मैं उसको रिपीट नहीं करूंगी. आपका क्या विचार है जब हम बात करते हैं कि ड्यूरेशन, सर, जैसे जब हम प्री कोविड में हम काम करते थे, हम ऑफिस में आते थे, 9 से 5 की हम नौकरी करते थे, 2 घंटे चलिए एक्सटेंड हो गया तो हम 8 से 10 घंटे की औसत में काम करते थे प्रतिदिन. अब यहाँ पे जब हम बात करते हैं वर्क फ्रॉम होम की, तो वहां पे कुछ चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं हमारे सभी एम्प्लॉइज को, वर्कफोर्स पीपल को, जहां पे उनका एक सर्वे रहता है कि हमारा काम का जो संख्या था, ड्यूरेशन था, वो इंक्रीज हो गया है. तो सर, इसमें आपकी क्या ख्यालात हैं, आपकी क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है? ओवर टू यू संग्राम.
See, work from home, though initially it was very interesting and people thought that I can earn by working from home in the same way the way I was in office. But there are many challenges apart from this, this duration. Duration is, I will use this word called exploitation by many of the people, but, it's not applicable to all at all. There are many corporates who ensure the guy is safe and, familiar at his home. There is no pressure, burden of work. But there are many companies or many people, because of their own style and functioning, they keep pressurizing the employees to, get more productivity in the name of stretching the hours. There is no limitations in the morning, in the evening, or midnight kind of things. See, in my perspective, we as Indians are not very disciplined to work inside the home without any distractions, come what may be. See, we are conversing. If from my kitchen, the pressure cooker will give a CT, so I can't help it out. I can't say, please stop it. Because if I'll stop that, then my lunch is over. I can get lunch after this discussion. So this is what is the normal scenario in everybody's home. हम कहते हैं ना कि नमक तेल की दुनिया में हम लोग जीते हैं. So we cannot avoid all those things. So corporates, or you can say professionals, should understand this. This is another opportunity. How can we get the work done by making somebody sitting at his home, making himself secure? And by sitting at my home, I am also making my nation safe and secure. Because if I will go out, I will be a part of the transmission of that virus. So that is why I am keeping myself inside my home. And this is also one of my national duties and responsibilities. So considering all these things, work from home concept, because I have seen many companies have started constructing some kind of workstations. They have started supplying to their employees. So you keep these workstations inside your home, close the door, be inside that cubicle whenever you are working. That's not going to work. Inside your home, everybody is not staying in a palace. So entire floor will be mine and I won't have any distractions. So those kind of challenges are there with everybody. But yes, we are Indians. We believe in the technology, which is very familiarly called Jugaad. We know how, when, and in whichever way we want to implement that. So come what may be. Right now, our vaccination is so much way above than any of these countries being started at late. So it's only because every school, every colleges, every hospital, everybody is doing vaccinations. So this is what is the willpower of our country, of our citizens. So irrespective of the tough, irrespective of the scenario, we all used to get accustomed ourselves to the circumstances, and we are best among the entire rest. Over to you.
Superb, Sangram ji. आपने तो हमारा दिन बना दिया. We were so amazed to hear from you. Like, I can't stop my smile. Every line makes so much sense, so much fun, and it's absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. You said, you nailed this discussion when you said, किचन से अगर सीटी आती है तो मैं क्या करूं? क्या कर सकते हैं? छोटे हमारे डॉटर सन अगर हमें बुलाएंगे मम्मी पापा क्या करेंगे, राइट? सो दैट्स द फन पार्ट ऑफ वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, बट दैट्स अगेन अ सॉर्ट ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शन जिसे हम बात करते हैं वर्क फ्रॉम होम कि एक तरह से डिसएडवांटेज है. बट आई थिंक हम लोगों ने अपने परिवार को भी काफी समझा है इस दौरान. हमने उनका महत्व समझा है, अपने बड़ों का, अपने छोटों के साथ हमने काफी समय गुजारा जो हम कभी नहीं भूल सकते. इस पैंडेमिक ने काफी जिंदगी हमसे जरूर ली है. ये मुश्किल की घड़ी है, बट हमें काफी कुछ सिखा के गया है, which I would appreciate. Everybody should appreciate. बट जो जिंदगी हमने हमारे प्रियजनों की जिंदगी गई है उसको हम कभी नहीं लौटा सकते, तो उसके लिए काफी खेद रहेगा. चलिए संग्राम जी, इस पूरे जो हमारा 3 महीने का ड्यूरेशन था उसमें काफी लोगों ने काफी कुछ खोया है, दुखी है, ट्रॉमा में है, एम्प्लॉयज को नहीं समझ आ रहा भी कैसे काम करें. तो सर उनके लिए लास्ट कुछ मोटिवेशनल इंस्पिरेशनल मैसेज दे दीजिए जिससे उनके मन एकदम वो मोटिवेशन से भरपूर हो जाए, उन्हें वापस से वो शक्ति मिले ताकि वो वापस आके काम कर सके. ओवर टू यू सर, प्लीज गो अहेड.
See, I don't know whether I'll answer this question in a very justified way, because I tried my level best to whatever I can do. My company has tried to the level best to what best they can do. So let me just explain that first, because walk the talk should be the answer. I should not say ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, देश को आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए. So I don't want to go into that topic. So first of all, I as an individual, I ensure whoever work from my home, be it my driver, be it my maid, or the associate people, my gardener, I have ensured they should work from they should be at their home, but they will get whatever they were getting as it is. So that's the first and foremost responsibility we also do as an individual. I am a social worker as well as I am a professional. So as a social worker, I am associated with a society called Odia Samaj. I belongs to Jagannath Puri from Odisha, and I am in Delhi since 1996. So through this Odia Samaj, what we did is, in the first wave, we ensured, because we know where our Odia people stay, what is the conditions, what kind of people stay in which place. So we ensured whoever are the task level people, we have ensured they get dry rations. And it was a fantastic exercise. If I am not wrong, we have distributed more than 2.5 lakhs dry rations in Delhi itself, Delhi and NCR itself. So that's point number one. Point number two, during this COVID second wave, what we did is, through the same Odia Samaj, we have developed some concept called telemedicines. We have introduced a helpline number. We have, messaged it very frequently in all kind of social media platform, and it's a very professional platform as well. So anybody and everybody has to only give a missed call to the number. The people will go and check. So during this process, we have cured 2,500 patients with entire 14-15 days exercise by continuously following up with them. The third thing which we did is, we also stored some of the oxygen cylinders, some of the oxygen concentrators with us, though it was just like homeopath to an elephant. But yes, we tried to do whatever best we can do. Now, as far as my organization is concerned, which is APS Group, which is there since 1986 in this country, we also did very fantastic job during this COVID. We ensured each of our branch offices are equipped with oxygen cylinders and oxygen concentrators. Even if some of the hospitals who are our clients, they asked some oxygen concentrators from us in due course of time because they were having shortages. We also supplied to them free of cost. What we also did is we are having some training vans all across this country. That van was being used for training security guards, for training housekeepers. So vacuum cleaner, scrubber, chemicals, sample wooden floors, sample carpets, all these things were there inside the van. So that van was used to go to a client's place. We call all our people outside and get them, hands-on training. We converted those vans into some kind of ICU kind of thing. So there was the oxygen cylinders, some stretchers kind of things for a patient to lie down, some oxygen concentrators, and we contacted some paramedical staff, some nursing staffs, so to be associated with that van. So we took that van to some areas. Every day we travel some areas from wherever we get calls, and we try to do whatever extent possible to give some kind of relief, some kind of fast aid kind of things during that point in time. So this is what we have done so far. Still now, apprehending the third wave, we are ensuring all of our staffs are getting vaccinated, and whoever are the task level people, we are giving them free vaccination. And this kind of arrangement, we are also making it intact. We are not disturbing this arrangement is still there. We have not converted back those vans into our training vans because we have requested our clients to bear with us for some more months, because this is some national emergency or some national services kind of things. So all of our clients have agreed to support us here. So these are the things which we do as an individual, as a society, as a corporate. I think there is no end to it. I would like to give you an example of another body which is known as GACS. So they are also very active. They are comprising of facilities management professionals or real estate professionals. If you go to their social media, you will find, I am also part of that. They are also taking many measures during this kind of things. They are conducting webinars, how to be mentally positive, how all can work from home but still not get bored. So many kind of programs they have done. They have also started, giving these oxygen cylinders and oxygen concentrators free of cost to the needy. So many organizations are there who are doing to the level extent possible. We in India, and I think, if we recall in Mumbai, whenever there is rain, people come out to support the guys who are stranded in the main roads. So this is there in our in our culture, in our society. This is very evident. But yes, this COVID, because of the fear of death, many people are making themselves compact to their home. But many people are going out to save this mankind. And in northern part of this country, particularly in Delhi, if you see in news, all our Sikh brothers, they have started a concept called Oxygen Vanda, Oxygen Langar. Such a beautiful initiative. They have done everything overnight. All the gurudwaras were flooded with oxygen cylinders. Anybody and everybody can drive in, get the oxygen, go back home. So we also do whatever possible to ensure the entire country is safe, healthy, happy, and looking forward.
Wonderful, Sangram. I think आपने काफी अच्छे तरीके से समराइज किया कि हम अपने लेवल पे, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तो अपने लेवल पे कर ही रहा है, बट हम अपने लेवल पे कैसे करें और इस पूरे मैनकाइंड को एक साथ बांधे, और सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मनी तो नहीं है, सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है लोगों की जान। वो नहीं रहेगा तो कैसे हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे? तो जान है तो जहान। सर, मुझे पता नहीं था कि आप उड़ीसा से हैं। आई विजिटेड उड़ीसा एंड आई विजिटेड उधर जो टेम्पल है हमारा, जगन्नाथ टेम्पल, एक ही बार मैंने विजिट किया। तो सर, उड़िया में मेरा आपसे एक दिल से रिक्वेस्ट है सर, उड़िया में आप लोगों को ये जरूर बताइए कि वैक्सीनेशन लेना कितना जरूरी है, उड़िया अपने अपनी भाषा में। ओवर टू यू संग्राम जी।
You want me to tell in Odia? Okay, so I'm a proud Odia guy. If you see my social media, it's flooded with many Odia activities. Yesterday we launched a program called Radio Shri Kshetra. So जगन्नाथ जी का जो धाम है, जो क्षेत्र है, उसको श्री क्षेत्र कहते हैं। हमने एक वेब रेडियो प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया जिसपे जगन्नाथ जी का कथा गाथा हम लोग वेब रेडियो के जरिया से पूरे दुनिया में प्रसार करेंगे। सो इसीलिए व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू दिस थिंग इन उड़िया, व्हाट एवर वी टेल वी स्टार्ट विथ जय जगन्नाथ। सो दैट इज व्हाई आई गिव दिस एग्जांपल। सो जय जगन्नाथ। मोर प्रिय ओडिया भाई और भौणी माने, आपण मानकु समस्त को मोर सनिर्बंध अनुरोध, मोर आपण मानकु विशेष अनुरोध, आपण माने कौनसी प्रकार वातावरण को विश्वास न करी, मतलब नेगेटिव वातावरण को विश्वास न करी सकारात्मक हुंतु। आम भारत वर्ष रे जो वैक्सीन बनुची, जो वैक्सीन तैयारी हेची, विश्व रे तार मान्यता प्राप्त हेची। एई वैक्सीन बहुत इफेक्टिव एवं एटा विश्व दरबार रे प्रमाणित हे सारिची। आजिका दिन रे भारत सरकार, ओडिशा सरकार द्वारा जो इनिशिएटिव निया होची वैक्सीनेशन पाई, गाँ गाँ रे शहर शहर रे आपण माने तादरे भागीदार हुंतु, समस्त वैक्सीन नियंतु। एटा गोटिए मात्र उपाय आम समस्त को सुस्थ सबल एवं निरोग रखिबा पाई। मोर अनुरोध आपण माने रक्षा करिवे। धन्यवाद। वंदे उत्कल जननी।
वंडरफुल संग्राम जी, उम्दा। मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत समझ में तो आया जहाँ पे आपने बोला कि निरोग रहे, स्वस्थ रहे, हर शहर शहर में है, कुछ कुछ समझ में आया। अच्छा संग्राम जी, मुझे बताइए कि धन्यवाद को और आपका आभार को हम ओडिया में कैसे बोले?
धन्यवाद। सो धन्यवाद इज इन हिंदी, सो इन उड़िया इट
धन्यवाद। धन्यवाद संग्राम जी, बहुत उम्दा लगा आपसे, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला हमें। उड़िया बहुत मीठी भाषा है। आई थिंक मैं उसे जरूर अपनाऊंगी, सीखूंगी। और आई थिंक सब लोग के पास ये जो इंडिया में कल्चर है ना, डाइवर्सिटी, वो बहुत उम्दा है, बहुत प्यारा है। तो इसे ना भूले, मेरा यही दरख्वास्त होगा सबसे। तो थैंक यू सो मच संग्राम जी, अपना टाइम देने का बहुत बहुत दिल से शुक्रिया। जय हिंद सर।
जय हिंद।